Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We got in the Megan Racing section 2, I think it was. It's the mid pipes for the M3. Ooh wee. Looking pretty, looking pretty. Alright, looks like we got all the section here, clamps. Got a sticker of some sort or something, I don't know. And this is what we got in today. The car is actually, now let's see, got some more Megan Racing stickers, stuff, warranty, everything's looking good. Alright, so that's what we picked up. Alright, so we got another package in today. We dropped off the exhaust to the shop, and now we got this in. Heavy package, over 70 pounds. Oh my god, I can't even move that with one hand. There's no way. What we got here? What's that? R1 Concepts Ceramic Series brake pads. Okay. Ooh. R1 Concepts ceramic brake pads, front and rear. And what do we have in here? That's heavy. Come on. There we go. Ooh. There we go. Cross drilled slotted rotors. So we got all four. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4 are in there. So I picked up some R1 Concepts cross drill slotted rotors with the ceramic brake pads. I guess one is for the rear, one is for the front. I don't know which one is what, but that's what it is. So that's what we picked up. Alright, so they come with the rotors, the pads, and also, I guess, some sensors or something. I don't even know what this is. Some wires, but there's 2 of them in here. I don't know. Also, a pair of R1 Concept gloves. Awesome. Right? R1 medium. Yeah. That's it. Like I said, I'm not sure what these are. Brake sensors. It says it all over it. Hello. The packaging says it right there. You can see brake sensors. So it does come with brake sensors, pads, and rotors. 4 rotors. I think, yeah. It's pretty cool. Once we get them on the car, we'll get some more pics, some video of them on the car. So that's it for today's video. We got one more thing coming, and I might throw that into this video also. Not sure yet, but we'll see. Not like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.